You know, when it comes to fitness, there's this constant chatter about the perfect body, the ideal shape, and how to achieve it. And let's be honest, we all have those areas we wish we could just magically transform overnight. For many, it's the thighs. They can be a tricky area, right? So, let's dive into some exercises that can help reduce thigh fat and make those legs feel a little slimmer and firmer. First off, squats are a classic. They engage your entire lower body, but they really target those thighs. You can mix it up with sumo squats for inner thigh focus or jump squats to add a cardio element. Then there are lunges. Forward lunges, reverse lunges, side lunges. Each variation hits different muscles. They're like a buffet for your legs, and who doesn't love a good buffet? Next up, we can't forget about leg lifts. Lying on your side and lifting your leg can feel deceptively simple, but trust me, your thighs will be feeling it in no time. And if you want to crank it up a notch, try adding ankle weights. Then there's the classic step up. Find a sturdy bench or a step and just step up and down. It's functional, it's effective, and it can be done anywhere. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more dynamic, consider high knees. They're not just for warm-ups. They can really get your heart rate up while working those thighs. And speaking of cardio, let's talk about cycling. Whether it's on a stationary bike or out in the open air, cycling is fantastic for toning those legs while burning calories. Don't overlook the power of resistance bands either. They're versatile and can be used for a variety of exercises like lateral band walks or glute bridges. Both target the thighs and help build strength. And if you're feeling adventurous, try incorporating some plyometrics. Box jumps or burpees will not only challenge your thighs, but also give you a full-body workout. And let's not forget about the importance of flexibility. Incorporating yoga or Pilates can help lengthen those muscles, making them appear slimmer while also improving strength. Think about poses like Warrior II or chair pose. They're not just about stretching, they're about building that lean muscle. Lastly, consistency is key. It's not just about doing these exercises once, it's about making them a part of your routine. Combine them with a balanced diet, and you'll start to see changes. Remember, it's not just about the number on the scale, it's about how you feel in your own skin. So, embrace the journey, celebrate the small victories, and keep pushing forward. Your thighs will thank you.